way factories that produce goods at a high price because they don't have comparative advantage succeed is when you give them fixed markets, not using free markets.
That's holistic markets.
Exactly. Command and control. So that all this must be your business plan. If you know you're coming with Commander to try and reduce the 200 million imports, what you do, you can decide as a state that, look, all sugar at prisons, all sugar at schools, all sugar here, they need about, let's say, 100 tons a year. The capacity of this factory is 100 tons a year. All by a state, our ruling goes there. If you don't do that and you want them to come in the general market, the investor will come and ask you, how do I sell this sugar? Looking at the things you have. So really the point I'm making is that it was a matter of one, not only confusion, but incompetence as well. Trying as a country to build a factory before later looking for a partner. Now, let me tell you this, something. How come Volkswagen came into this country to set up their plant? Something preceded their plant. We had the automotive policy. What is that policy? It tells you the conditions you put in place as a state before an investor can consider the investment viable. If we, Ghana, had built an automotive factory and called the VW to come and buy shares, they will tell you, first of all, one, you have to have this policy. Two, you have to do. So the point I'm making
is that the same in asking that you must have sugar cane before you build a sugar?
No, there are three things involved. It's not only about, first of all, like Bento said, there was only propaganda in this. The business plan was very unsustainable. Look, you need...
Who gets up? Which politician, how wicked? You get up and you think that, let's go and take 36 million. Now we say we are spending almost 40 million and sink it into a project that we know in our heart of hearts is not viable.
Let me explain. It's very simple. Do you realize that all those who came to partner us after the evaluation, it showed that the value of the factory is not what the money that the state said they had used it for. You know what it means? If they valued at $12 million, 70% comes to 8.4 million. That's what we'll get back. Now, we spent 35. So even from day one, if we had even gotten an investor, we've lost, there's financial loss even from day one because the value put in. And like, what's the word? Like Bento said, look, don't take it for granted. You can get leaders who are lost when it comes to the economics or the policy. Immediately, listen to this, very important.
So the motivation is corruption?
No, I'm coming. You see, apart from the emotional attachment to, let's say, Commander, I told you about the market. You can decide to allocate markets and all that. But immediately you decide to spend that amount of money when you've not taken into consideration the land size you need to feed the factory, the price at which it will come out, and the market that will go for it, then it means you have serious issues. So, I don't have evidence here. So I don't want to say that the motivation was just building it and getting something from it. But really, in terms of sustainability, and that's why after 5 months, the John Dramani Mahama government started looking for an investor after they built a factory.
You say you are committed to it. It's taking you how long?
No, let me tell you something.
How do you justify that? And still the president is today visiting the place and making promises.
So you know what will happen? And that's why Bento talk about we finding laws that will punish public officers who put us in a situation which is a big mess.
The laws are there.
Yeah. Now look, to revive this factory, already all the valuations have shown us that we are not going to get the kind of money that the state put in. It's less than, way less than. It's 12.5 by AESL. It's 12 by both AESL and Pricewater, which means that's where you are going to roll. Already our money is gone. Number two, the investor must get some other assurances, like you had under 1D1F. What are the tax exemptions? What are the market sources? Obviously, and people must get this. If you're a country, it's not every product you import that you try to substitute. Germany imports about 1.05 trillion worth of food. Almost every food consumed in Germany comes from South America and other places. They've not gone into food production because their comparative advantage is stronger in machinery and automotives. So although we are importing sugar at $200 million, the question is that if you produce sugar in Ghana, at what cost will you sell it? Now, this is the economics. To get the same quality and quantum of sugar in Ghana, it is possible Ghanaians must spend $400 million to get that. That's when you don't have comparative advantage. So the same quantum of sugar in Ghana, Commander can produce it, but Ghanaians must spend $400 million. That leads to increased quality of life, and that's where smuggling comes in. So you see sugar now coming in from Nigeria. Sugar will be coming from Togo because the price will be higher. So they got the economics wrong. The competence was very low. the concept and model was very, very poor. And I like this statement from Bentil. He said, what they could identify with their part-time, full-time of Mahama administration could not identify. And Bentil has been justified by the two potential investors who came, looked at the books, looked at the factory, and vanished. Two, one under Inga, under JM, came, said, I'll get it. When he came, he looked at all the books, he never showed up. And us, Park Agrotech, also from India, they came, looked at everything. They said, no, this thing has been overvalued. And two, we need to spend millions of dollars, hundreds, to try and bring it up. And even with that, please, what is your market like? We need to be assured of the market. So if you're running a free market, as a president, you must understand that you're running a free market. If you want to give allocation to reduce the imports, you must have some command and control for some